G'day everybody. Well, like I promised, video on the lathe. I know it's been a while, mainly been busy actually using it, doing exciting videos which are going to be coming up. It's made by Qualos, which I believe is actually a British company from the small amount of research we did when I got it. But it was actually made here in North Melbourne by Quality Engineering and Manufacturing. Could have been made under license by them, but or made for Qualos by Quality Engineering Manufacturing. Not 100% sure. Somebody will have the details out there on it, I'm sure. That's all this camera focus about. There's also some more specs there on the drive for the chuck. That's mainly your there's your gear selectors there, so you can select how fast you want your chuck going. A bit like the transmission in a car or a truck. It's just the same deal, except it's on a spinning a big heavy lathe chuck instead of some wheels. What is this, folks? About there we go. I got this for about $600 roughly from one of the guys at work who was selling it, so I pounced at the opportunity to buy a nice bit of machinery like this, and for what I got, it was an absolute bargain. I didn't get this or the Morse center with it. I had to buy the buy a stationary drill chuck, so when I'm coring or drilling out tool work pieces, and also the Morse taper too, live center for doing longer objects. Like if I wanted to mill down an old crankshaft or something, that's what you'd use that for. So they both got taper shanks too. But very little play in any of it given its age. I estimate it's probably 1940s era. Not 100% sure. Again, somebody will have the details on it. Although the paint's pretty worn on it, it's mechanically in really good nick. There's no play in the chuck or the gears or anything. Clutch is fine too, apart from a little bit of grease that's on that surface which you've got to clean off. It's in really good nick. The only thing I'd say is wrong is there's just a little bit of play in there, but again, hardly noticeable. You get the feel of equipment like this the more you use it, so I've been able to work out what its personalities are, let's just say. I know it's probably not the correct word for it, but that's what it is. Come around the back here, it's powered by a 1 horsepower CMG permanent split cap single phase motor. Okay, well the camera kind of fritzed out just then, apologise about that. Just make sure you got plenty of battery when you do make videos. What was I talking about? That's right, the motor. Yeah, can't really say much else about that, other than it's a little bit noisy, but it works really well. Did also have to put that on to run a couple of twin 40-watt fluorescent lights. It's not the best wiring I've ever done, but it beats the old, had like a little desk lamp type thing on it that it was pretty much shot. I don't ever think it would have worked again, so I just cut that off and put that on, and that runs to 40-watt fluoros really nicely. I found that fitting a long time ago in the roof of a factory. It was never been used, so it's now mine, and it works really nicely for this. Get plenty of light. So let's give it a power test. Start the motor. Doesn't sit there humming or growling either. It's an instant startup, so it's still in really good nick. And it's the clutch to engage the chuck. That's running at its highest speed at the moment. It's nice and quiet too. That's your drive. It's a little bit chattery. You're not really supposed to engage it while it's or change while it's moving, but a little bit of slip, but it's alright. There is reverse on it too. It's a little bit noisy, but that's going backwards, that's going clockwise, my side of it. So yeah, very good condition, no play at all, like I said. What I'll do is I might as well chuck a bit of steel in there. I think I've got a bit sitting down there. I have been doing quite a bit of work on it too, by the way, so but yeah, we'll chuck that in it and I'll just give you a bit of a demonstration of the just milling something for the tool post and all that. Don't know how well this is going to turn out, but we'll have a go. Just going to face that for you a couple of times just to show you its operation. Also, different materials have different characteristics too when machining, so always keep that in mind. Like plastics are really easy to machine, where there are steel and other, like especially high carbon steel, that can be very hard to machine on the lathe. Also, make sure your tools are sharp too, your inserts. That also makes a difference. But that, as you can see, works really well. It's really nice and clean. Zoom out for you. There we go. Yeah, nice clean finish on that. So that's the lathe. You see my dodgy tripod stand on there. It worked. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a few more engineering videos got coming. You know, muck around with a few lights and things now. Thanks for watching.